Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkov's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the error message. The version of this file is not compatible with the version of Windows. And now let's get started. This error typically appears when you try to run an older program on a newer version of Windows. The solution is to adjust the compatibility settings for that specific program. Begin by locating the executable file for the program that is causing the issue. Right-click on this file and choose Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Check this box. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the most recent compatible Windows version. For instance, if you are using Windows 11, you would likely choose Windows 8. Once you have made your selection, click the Apply button, and then click OK to save the changes. This should allow the program to run without encountering the compatibility error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.